Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. So guys, this collection is all about the witch designs with name. You are so lucky when you are seeing my YouTube channel because this collection is very interesting and almost know about the wits but don't name. So guys, this collection is all about the wits name with names and beautiful wits with the beautiful names. Very informative video that are delivered to you. So if you are interested in my YouTube channel that are so stunning, so adorable, so amazing, and that you see the tulip wits design, fresh tulip wits designs, and amazing ideas are available on my YouTube channel. And this collection is related to the wits with name ideas, beautiful different wits with different names. And this collection is frame wit ideas, lamp air wits ideas, and amazing designs of wits design with name, and very informative video. Don't miss, don't skip, share with your family and friends. And very amazing video, and that again more ideas, more informative video that are delivered to you. So guys, don't waste your time and subscribe to my YouTube channel, to like my YouTube channel. And if you are interested in more YouTube videos and more bits videos, floral arrangement videos, then drop your message in comment box, and I try my best watch to you the best and the amazing collection that you see. And amazing ideas are available on my YouTube channel, and I try my best watch only the best classic ideas. So keep watching my channel on daily basis.